Second fire alarm inside of about 5 to 7 minutes. They gave the all clear. We went back in, and this happened again. Now what?
Ladies and gentlemen, may I have your attention? There has been a fire reported in the building. Please exit the building. Do not use the elevators, but proceed to the stairway and exit the building.
We're supposed to run, flee? What's the story here?
You should be evacuating the building.
Again?
Yeah. Because we don't know if there's a fire.
No. Actually, I was going to write you an email later today.
What's
our dilemma with those knuckleheads?
Oh,
Are you guys
yeah,
still
yeah,
able to
yeah,
pull
yeah.
that stuff, do you think? Or
Yeah.
think you in the next week or so?
Yeah, let
Are
me
you
just
guys
put it on
still
my...
super busy? I know that you're
We're
winding down
always-
from the semester.
We're always super busy. Actually, this week is usually chaotic for us because I've got the only opportunity to take systems offline and do maintenance. But
It's this week?
yeah, but let me look. I'm pretty sure that after we talked last time, I found all the data and
Just trying to put it in a usable way, an understandable format.
yeah.
Cool. Can I touch base with you maybe like first part of next week, like Monday or Tuesday?
Absolutely.
I'll stop back by. Are you here? Are you
Yeah.
going to go on vacation anytime? Or
Heaven
planning
forbid.
on it?
No, not next week. So
I'll
next
stop
week
in.
will be good.
Do you have a problem with me just popping in, or do you want to set something up for like
You
5
can
minutes?
just pop in.
I'll just pop in.
Yeah.
Cool.
All right.
Are we going to let people back in, you think? Or?
I think so. Yeah, just let me reset this, see if it stays back.
Okay. Cool, man. I'll see you like Monday.
Okay. Thanks. They should be giving the all clear again here in a second. Oh, what a beautiful day. At least we're outside. It's a beautiful day. Come up here on all my coworkers. Thank you. Now let me tell you, all looks good in there. Y'all like to go back? Yeah.
With the police leaving the building, I think I'm gonna wait.
Yeah. Oh, don't worry about them. I got this.
It'll be a few more minutes. They're still trying to reset it and figure out what's going on.
Okay. Thanks for the update.
Yeah, thanks. Sorry, guys.
As I was saying, a couple more minutes after we get it all figured out.
Please avoid the building, sir.
Yeah. Yeah.